Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by chopping 8 Oz, 225 g of chocolate and heating cream. This controls melt and texture. Pour warm cream over the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl so the heat evenly softens chips. Let it sit for 2-3 minutes to melt gently, which prevents graininess. Once done, stir slowly from the center outward until fully combined and glossy. Make sure you reach a smooth emulsion before cooling to ensure a stable, spreadable ganache. Now focus on emulsifying and cooling. Whisk in slow, controlled motions to create a smooth, glossy ganache. Rapid whisking can trap air. Once combined, allow the ganache to cool at room temperature 20-30 minutes so it thickens gradually. If you need it faster, chill briefly in a shallow bowl, stirring every 5 minutes to prevent firm edges. Make sure to check texture. Beat lightly if you want a fluffier frosting. This step defines spreadability and final sheen. Finish by applying the ganache when it's spreadable but not runny. Use an offset spatula, working in thin coats and chilling briefly between layers for neat edges. If piping, whip the cooled ganache to a firmer texture and fit a pastry bag. If things go wrong, say the ganache looks grainy or separated, warm it gently over a double boiler or microwave in 5-10 second bursts. Then whisk slowly to re-emulsify. Make sure to add a teaspoon of warm cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.